Have you ever dreamt of a life brimming with success, love, and happiness? A life where your deepest desires effortlessly transform into tangible realities? This is the captivating allure of manifestation, the belief that we possess the inherent power to shape our reality through the sheer force of our thoughts and beliefs. It suggests that we are not limited by our circumstances but are empowered to transcend them, crafting a life of our choosing through focused intention and belief. The allure of manifestation lies not only in its promise of a brighter future, but also in its empowering message, that we are not victims of fate but architects of our own destiny. It encourages us to step into our power, to dream big, and to believe in the extraordinary potential that lies dormant within each of us, waiting to be awakened. At the heart of manifestation lies a potent tool: affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements we declare to reprogram our subconscious minds. These are powerful declarations acting as seeds in our subconscious. They counteract years of negative self-talk and limiting beliefs. By focusing on positive statements, we shift our internal dialogue. Imagine waking up and repeating, "I am worthy of love and abundance." Initially, your mind might resist. With repetition, affirmations take root, chipping away at limiting beliefs. You start to believe the words you speak. Your actions align with your new self-image, transforming your reality. Affirmations are carefully crafted statements designed to imprint positive beliefs onto our subconscious minds. They are potent declarations infused with intention and conviction. When repeated, affirmations reshape our inner landscape, influencing thoughts, emotions, and actions. Think of your subconscious mind as a fertile garden. Every thought, every belief is a seed planted in this garden. Negative self-talk sows weeds, hindering growth. Affirmations are like planting seeds of possibility, nurturing growth. They remind us of our worthiness and potential. Affirmations challenge negative self-talk, replacing it with empowering truths. Our subconscious mind, like a computer program, operates on ingrained beliefs and patterns. It doesn't differentiate between what is true and what we repeatedly tell it. It simply accepts the information it receives as reality. This is where affirmations come into play. By choosing our thoughts, we reprogram our subconscious. We overwrite old beliefs with new empowering ones. This process requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to challenge our thought patterns. Affirmations repeated with conviction chip away at self-doubt. Over time, the subconscious mind accepts these new beliefs, paving the way for change. Affirmations resonate with our deepest desires and aspirations. When aligned with our core values, they evoke an inner knowing of truth. This resonance indicates we are on the right track, aligning thoughts with our desires. It is the echo of our authentic selves, urging us to step into our potential. To understand affirmations, we delve into psychology, exploring the principles that underpin their effectiveness. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, provides insights into the interplay between our thoughts, feelings, and actions. CBT posits that our thoughts shape our emotional and behavioral responses. Affirmations serve as powerful antidotes to negative thought patterns. By focusing on positive statements, we interrupt negativity, paving the way for a productive mindset. The concept of self-fulfilling prophecy delves into the power of our beliefs. Our expectations can significantly influence outcomes. What we believe often becomes our reality. Imagine a student believing they will fail an exam. This can lead to anxiety and poor performance, fulfilling their prophecy. Affirmations shape our expectations positively. Repeated affirmations make desired outcomes seem probable. This belief shift influences our actions. We pursue goals with enthusiasm and resilience. The self-fulfilling prophecy guides us towards our envisioned outcomes. Neuroplasticity reveals the brain's ability to change and adapt throughout our lives. Contrary to previous beliefs, the brain can rewire itself based on experiences and thought patterns. This discovery has profound implications for personal transformation. Through conscious effort, we can rewire our brains for greater happiness and success. Affirmations strengthen neural pathways associated with positive beliefs. Over time, these pathways become dominant, aligning with our desired outcomes. Embedded deep within our brains lies the Reticular Activating System, or RAS, a network of neurons that acts as a filter for the constant stream of information bombarding our senses. Imagine you are at a noisy party, engaged in a conversation. Suddenly you hear your name mentioned across the room. Your RAS filters out the surrounding noise to focus on that relevant piece of information. The RAS is influenced by our beliefs, expectations, and focused attention. Affirmations program our RAS to focus on opportunities aligned with our desires. This heightened awareness can lead to serendipitous encounters and unexpected opportunities. The idea that our thoughts shape our reality is an echo of ancient wisdom reverberating through centuries of philosophical and spiritual traditions. Sages, mystics, and philosophers recognized the profound interconnectedness between mind and matter. In history, we find this understanding woven into various cultures. Ancient civilizations recognized the power of intention, ritual, and belief. From Egypt to Greece, humanity has sought to harness the mind's power. Manifestation is a rediscovery of a timeless truth. We shape our reality through thoughts, beliefs, and intentions. This ancient wisdom finds new expression in modern interpretations of manifestation. The law of resonance. Central to manifestation is the law of attraction, rooted in resonance. Our thoughts emit vibrations that ripple through reality. We attract experiences that match our dominant thoughts, like attracts like. Positivity shifts our frequency, attracting aligned experiences. Our thoughts shape the tapestry of our lives. Mastering the inner world. Manifestation's true power lies in inner transformation. Stoicism offers insights into this aspect. Focus on what we can control, our thoughts, emotions, and reactions. True freedom and happiness come from mastering our inner world. We always have the power to choose our response. Cultivate acceptance, resilience, and inner peace. Our outer reality reflects our inner state. Eastern echoes. The mind's dominion. Eastern traditions emphasize the mind's power in shaping reality. Buddhism offers insights into consciousness and the interconnectedness of our inner and outer worlds. Eastern philosophies provide tools for mastering the mind. Among manifestation techniques, affirmations stand out for their accessibility and immediacy. They require only our focused attention and willingness to speak desires into existence. Available anytime, anywhere, transforming moments into self-creation opportunities. The beauty of affirmations lies in their simplicity. Stating an affirmation with conviction creates an immediate shift in focus and energy. Affirmations are the quickest path to manifestation due to their versatility. They can be tailored to any desire or dream. Consciously choosing your thoughts reshapes your inner landscape. Affirmations create a ripple effect, raising your vibration. Our emotions are powerful indicators of our alignment with our desires. Affirmations align our emotional state with our desired outcomes. Repeatedly affirming positive statements shifts our emotional set point. This alignment accelerates the manifestation process. The illusion of effortless creation. Manifesting desires through thought is alluring, but balance is key. Critics argue that focusing only on positive thinking can distort reality. Thoughts influence experiences but aren't the sole architects of reality. Affirmations empower, but concrete actions are essential. The mind-body disconnect. Positive statements need congruent actions to create tangible changes. Imagine an athlete affirming, "I am a champion," but neglecting training. Relying solely on affirmations without action creates a gap. This leads to frustration and feeling stuck. Affirmations work best as catalysts for action. Navigating ethical considerations. Affirmations are powerful tools for growth but must be used responsibly. Manifestation can sometimes overlook our interconnected lives. Focusing only on personal desires can lead to self-centeredness. Balance is key, recognizing our journeys are intertwined. Crafting your affirmations. A blueprint for success. Crafting effective affirmations is like writing a script for your subconscious. Embrace specificity. Avoid vague statements like, "I am successful." Pinpoint what success looks like for you. Infusing your affirmations with power. Crafting specific affirmations is crucial, but to unlock their potential, infuse them with power. Phrase affirmations in the present tense. Affirm, "I am healthy, vibrant, and full of energy." Engage your emotions when repeating affirmations. Emotions amplify the impact of your affirmations. Integrating affirmations into daily life. Crafting powerful affirmations is essential. Incorporate them into your daily routine. Recite them each morning and evening. Combine affirmations with visualization for greater impact. Embracing the journey of transformation. Approach your journey of transformation with patience and persistence. You may question affirmations if results aren't immediate. Remember, you're reprogramming your subconscious mind. Celebrate small victories and embrace the transformative power of your thoughts. Affirmations empower us from within. Amplifying affirmations. A synergistic approach. Affirmations are powerful, but their effectiveness multiplies with visualization. Imagine living your desired reality. Meditation calms the mind, creating a receptive state for affirmations to flourish. A tapestry of transformation. Vision boards provide a constant visual reminder of our goals and aspirations. Gather images, quotes, and affirmations that resonate with your desires. Repeat your affirmations with conviction, feeling the emotions associated with each desire. This practice aligns your energy with their manifestation. For many years, the concept of manifestation, particularly affirmations, was dismissed as wishful thinking lacking empirical evidence. Advances in neuroscience reveal a fascinating interplay between our thoughts, beliefs, and the physical world. Positive self-affirmations can profoundly impact our psychological well-being, influencing our thoughts, emotions, behaviors, and experiences. Studies suggest affirmations are powerful tools for personal growth and transformation. They highlight the interconnectedness of our mental, emotional, and physical selves. Nurturing our inner landscape with positive self-talk can create a ripple effect, influencing the world around us. Affirmations impact self-efficacy, the belief in one's ability to succeed in specific situations or tasks. Positive self-affirmations boost self-efficacy, leading to increased confidence, motivation, and resilience. Imagine a student struggling with math anxiety. By affirming, "I am capable of excelling in math," they challenge limiting beliefs. This mindset shift leads to increased effort, improved performance, and a positive attitude. Self-affirmation benefits extend beyond academics. Affirming positive aspects of ourselves buffers against stress, aiding resilience. This perspective shift reduces stress, improves problem solving, and enhances control over our lives. As we delve into affirmations and manifestation, it's crucial to approach these practices with an ethical lens. Personal transformation is undeniable, but we must navigate with awareness and respect for life's interconnectedness. One ethical consideration centers around personal responsibility. Affirmations should not lead to magical thinking. They require effort and action. They inspire us to take concrete steps towards our goals. They don't absolve us of responsibility for our choices. Ethical manifestation respects others' free will and boundaries. Our desires should not infringe on others' rights or happiness. Ethical manifestation calls for social awareness. Focus on personal growth, but remain aware of the broader social context. Align desires with compassion, empathy, and collective well-being. Manifest desires that contribute to a just, equitable, and sustainable world. Cultivate gratitude and appreciate what we have. Acknowledge blessings to shift energy from lack to abundance. Approach manifestation with gratitude to align with abundance. Affirmations hold immense potential for personal growth and transformation. When practiced consistently and with heartfelt intention, they can profoundly impact our thoughts, emotions, behaviors, and experiences. The beauty of affirmations lies in their accessibility. They require no special tools or external validation. Available anytime, anywhere, they transform ordinary moments into opportunities for self-creation. Affirmations remind us of our worthiness, potential, and power to shape our reality. They provide a valuable tool for navigating life's ups and downs with resilience, optimism, and self-belief. The journey of manifestation through affirmations is a continuous exploration of our inner landscape, recognizing we are active creators, shaping our reality through choices, thoughts, and actions. Embracing this truth, we approach life with renewed purpose and possibility. We may not control external circumstances, but we can choose our response and align with desired outcomes. Affirmations cultivate self-awareness, self-love, and self-acceptance, recognizing true abundance from our inner world. May we embark on our journeys with open hearts and belief in our limitless potential.